What in the boat ramp hell do we have going on here? Our guy's got the motor on, out of the water. Does he even know? They're trying to let him know. He's gonna know now. We pull it out of gear, bro. Put it back in neutral. They're trying to get him back over to the dock. But, bro, you're gonna need to put this into neutral. It's spinning in gear. If you drop that motor, you're going in whatever direction the prop's spinning, man. There we go. Puts the motor back in. They're trying to toss a line over, but I mean, if we've got the motor in and we're running, we're probably okay now. But they're gonna pull them back just to be safe. It's definitely never a dull moment here. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru from the Drain Plug Mafia channel in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. So, I'm guessing our crew's gonna try relaunching this. He turned the motor off. And we're in gear this time. Not sure why we went back to the dock and why once we put the motor back in the water we didn't just pull out. But our guy in the dock's shouting instructions. Maybe it's our guy's first time. And he gets the applause from the dock. And this crew will be on their way. Well, look out, bro. He's not stopping. Oh. That was almost a close one right there. I didn't think the guy that was turning into the dock was going to stop. But he stops and is going to reset up. And takes a second, regain composure, and try and set aim back at this dock. Oh, our guy looks nervous in the bow. He goes for the leap, though. All good. He lands it. And Cap, all you got to do is put it in neutral now and let your boy guide you in. And our crew's backing up, but man, he's turned too tight. Bro, stop! The guy in the boat is yelling at him to stop as well. He's kind of coming back around. But they've got themselves into a tight corner there. So we're coming back again. Nope, you turned it too soon. He's going to wind up coming right off the side here. Whoa, we're going to have to stop again. And that was close. He almost probably took a wheel well off. And we've got security down here on the dock. And it looks like he might try and give my dude in the truck a hand. But he is still right there on the edge. They're going to have to pull this one back out again. Really going to have to give yourself a little room to work, bro. So security's walked up to the front. Kind of giving these guys a little coaching job. There we go. Nice wide turn. And this time, they might be good to go. And security's still giving them the pep talk. That was close. They started to pull forward. There's a truck and trailer in front of you. We've still got a little ways to come back. And our guy, looks like they should be good to roll and get this thing off here. And of course here we have one of our Black Point favorites, the old U-Haul truck. And these guys are struggling to get the boat off the trailer. So security's walking down, and man, security, you gotta quit helping these people down here today, bro. He's walking down here giving everybody all kinds of tips and advice, and it's kind of ruining the show. It's actually nice to see somebody down there helping these guys out, though. So our guy's getting some lines out. Looks like they're trying to get this thing ready to roll. But once again, somebody's up at the front, and they're still struggling to get this thing off the trailer. I don't know if they can't get it unhooked or what, or you just can't get it pushed off. And security's in there coaching them up. And trying to explain to him, it looks like, how the winch strap works. So our guy's walking back up to the truck. And it looks like I can kind of tell what security's mimicking here. In other words, he can't get it off. They tried pushing it off and it just won't go off. He's telling my man, hey, back up a little bit, tap the brake, and let it float. So here we go to the back, the brake pump, and that's it. It breaks it free, and they're able to get it off. And our security guy's 2 for 2 on helping people today, and typically we always watch the U-Haul trucks when we see them because we get a little action, and nothing too crazy from this one today. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you guys did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Drain Plug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.
Hey, Alfred!